Welcome to Step 4 of the Neptune DIY templating series. Installation. Now that your flooring has been templated and delivered, it's time to install. This stage is all about preparation, alignment, and controlled adhesion. Take your time. A professional finish starts before anything is permanently stuck down. Let's begin with surface preparation. Before installing any pads, the surface must be thoroughly cleaned. Start by removing all salt and contaminants using a pH-neutral wash. Pay close attention to edges, corners, textured areas, and around fittings where residue can build up. Once the surface is clean and completely dry, carry out a final wipe down using industrial methylated spirits, also known as IMS. Work methodically across the entire area. Even if the deck looks clean, invisible residues such as salt film, sunscreen, silicone sprays, or detailing products can prevent proper adhesion. All IMS residue must be completely removed. If required, use alcohol to remove any remaining residue. Leftover residue can attack the adhesive and cause flooring failure. Do not rush this step. A properly prepared surface ensures long-term performance. Now let's move to Setout. Before removing any backing paper, lay all pads in position. View the layout as one complete system, not piece by piece. Use masking tape to temporarily hold the pads in place. This allows you to confirm center alignment, consistent spacing, straight line work direction, symmetry from left to right, and clean flow around corners and curves. Check around hardware, hinges, drains, trims, and cutouts to ensure nothing fouls or binds. At this stage, the backing paper should still be on. If the setout is slightly off, the entire deck will look misaligned once installed. This is where spacing and alignment issues are corrected before adhesive touches the boat. Proper setout is critical to achieving a professional finish. Once you are completely satisfied with positioning, you can begin installation. We recommend using the hinging method. Create a tape hinge along one edge of the pad. Lift the pad like a door, keeping it aligned in its exact position. Peel back part of the adhesive backing paper, not all of it at once. Then, carefully lay the pad back down from the hinged edge outward. Apply firm pressure as you go. This controlled method prevents bubbles, wrinkles, stretching, or alignment drift. For larger or more complex sections, you can hinge in stages and remove backing gradually. Work steadily and do not rush. Install pads one at a time in a planned sequence. Typically begin with the center or feature piece first, then work outward to surrounding sections. Repeat the same process each time. Confirm position. Hinge. Peel backing. Lay gradually. Press firmly into place. Once each pad is laid, roll from the center outward to eliminate any trapped air. Apply a minimum of 6 kilograms of downward pressure on the roller to properly activate the adhesive. Proper pressure is essential for a long-term bond. After rolling, use the rubber edge push tool to firmly press down all edges. Pay special attention to borders, corners, and around cutouts. This step seals the edges against salt and water intrusion. Once installation is complete, step back and inspect the layout from a distance. The gaps should look intentional. The line work should run clean and straight. All feature pieces should appear centered and square to the platform. Finally, allow the adhesive to settle before heavy use, following the recommended cure time. That's it. Surface preparation, correct setout, controlled installation. Follow these steps carefully, and your flooring will deliver a clean, professional finish built for Australian marine conditions.
Neptune Boat Flooring, home of the ultimate marine upgrade. Learn more about our custom services at neptuneboatflooring.com.au.